Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any fun videos that I have up on my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you continue to stop by. Thank you. So today's tutorial is quite simple. I just discovered a new way of doing my brows, and I found out that it's way easier and makes my brows on fleek quicker than my usual way of making my brows. So I'm gonna name this video an updated eyebrow routine, because a lot of people have asked me, and I still know that a lot of my followers on Instagram especially have issues with having their getting a perfect brow. So this video is here to gonna help you achieve like a flawless brow faster than usual. So guys, to start off, I usually start by priming my eyebrows. You can do this either by using a mattifying primer like the one I'm about to use. This is the Pond's Vanishing Cream Long Lasting Oil Control. I also use this as a primer for my face, or you could just use a setting powder on your brows. Either ways, it helps keep your brow more matte for longer than when you just go straight with your eyebrow pencil. So because my sister has finished my first beauty line by Didi, I'm going to be using the second one. So either this or I use the gel liner, but most times I find myself reaching out for this because it makes my eyebrow drawing way faster and easier because it's like very thin. My brows into position and kind of like blend that primer we used earlier on. I usually like starting my brows from here, which is like the middle of my brows, because if I start here, I just like starting here. So I'm just going to use the pencil and lightly draw a line. I like to start from my tear dot. When I'm drawing the bottom one, I like to start from this part of my nose, just because I find that it gives me like a perfect faded effect. So now to the secret recipe. I usually would use my eyebrow gel. Why is it open? So if I use it directly on my brows, it's like very dark, so I use another mascara one and kind of like just brush some products onto the mascara. And when I do that, I start off by testing it from Next, I like using a flat brush to clean my brows because I find that it gets into my brow bone better than an angled brush. The reason why is because the tip of this concealer brush is curved, so and your brow bone is also curved. Your brow bone is not actually angled. So I'm going to use a blending brush to blend the concealer properly. I'm going to be using this Zical foundation in the shade 020 Sex Almond because this is my shade for now. And that's basically how I do my brows. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button so you get more videos on everything, so you don't miss out on any video. Until my next video, love you guys, take care of yourselves, bye.